How to find the best calendar, top 9 calendar apps for you to use for your scheduling and more. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a list of calendars to access if you're looking for a calendar to schedule your meetings or to get organized. So let's get started. First, we have Amy.so. Amy.so is one of the very famous calendars out there and it is quite new. When it comes to the productivity and different features, we're getting all of the features right here on Amy and it looks pretty good. We can simply schedule our task, add reminders, and the look of it is also really good, very easy to use. You can simply use your calendar as a to-do list. You can color your calendar to organize. You will be able to instantly know the availability. You can track what you listen to. You can schedule your meetings. You can send links to your friends and your team members. It has different features and tools for us to help us create our own workspace, and we can get more productive, save a lot of time, be punctual, and be more productive. When it comes to Amy, the main focus is for you to be more productive, and you can simply go ahead and get productive with Amy. They provide shortcuts, time zone support is available, birthday reminders, team calendar is available where you can create your team, and then you can also create multiple accounts on Amy right here. So if you're looking for a calendar with very updated features, then you should definitely check out amy.so. The next on the list is going to be FlexiBits, and you can see right here this is our fantastic cal for our events, tasks, and meeting. You can simply download right here. The premium is for free, and with our fantastical we get the feature of task, and we can use it as our to-do list. We can create conference calls, schedule our meetings. There are different widgets available too. It is available on Mac, iPad, iPhone, and Watch too. It is really easy to use, and you can simply go ahead and track your time, and you will be able to create your own task and manage your task with Fantastical. It has all of the features that you need. You will be able to, organize your tasks and then keep track of everything that you do, and it will help you get more punctual and productive. Number three on the list is going to be Google Calendar. Well, we know about Google Calendar. It is completely free, provided by Google. So if you have a Google account, then you will be able to create your own Google Calendar. What you have to do is simply, go to your Google apps and you will be able to access it. When it comes to the Google Calendar, it's a classic. You get your own calendar where you can create your own new tasks, you can create events, and you can also create different reminders. There are different colors available for you to get more organized. You can also add your Google Meets and your notes, different apps from Google. You can actually integrate them to your Google Calendar right here, and then you can simply have more than one calendar as well, such as a calendar for your tasks or maybe reminders, birthdays, whatever you want to do. You can use Google Calendar for that, and then you will be able to get more productive and organized with very easy to use Google Calendar. The next on the list is going to be cozy.com. Cozy.com is a family organizer calendar that allows you to create your everyday task and create your own to-do list. When it comes to Cozy, it is used by families, and what you can do is you can simply create your own shopping list, to-do list, and you can share it with your family. So you can create your upcoming events, and then you can also add for your school. If you are a student, you can use Cozy, and then of course you can use it as a family. What you have to do is simply create an account. Signing up is completely free. It is available on App Store and Google Play, where you will be able to access all the features of Cozy. And with Cozy, you can create your list, you get your own calendar, you can plan events, schedule video calls, create shopping lists, and more. And you will be able to get more organized when it comes to your family. The next is going to be our Outlook calendar. So, Outlook calendar is provided by Microsoft. What you have to do is you simply sign up for Microsoft, and then you will be able to access your own Outlook calendar, just like our Google Calendar. We get our Microsoft calendar, and it's super easy to use, completely free, provided by Microsoft. With Google Calendar, you will be able to create your appointments and events, organize meetings, view group schedules, view calendars side by side, link your calendars to your Microsoft SharePoint sites, and subscribe to internet calendars as well. So you can simply go ahead and access your Outlook calendar by just signing up to Microsoft. The next on the list is going to be Time Tree. Time Tree is one of the very famous calendars out there, and it is also a project management where you can simply go ahead and create your events, tasks. It is available on App Store and Google Play as well. With Time Tree, you can simply go ahead and create your own living room calendar, work calendar, and social calendar as well. It is very easy to use, and it has a smart sharing option where as well you can record and share your objectives. Then you can simply get the latest news, and you will be able to build your team with Time Tree. It helps you get organized by adding colors to your different tasks, and then you will be able to create events, keep track of the events that's happening. You can also create your own to-do list with Time Tree. So if you're looking for a platform that's very easy to use and has all of the basic features and tools for you, then you should definitely check out timetree.com. The next on the list is going to be Plan. What you have to do is simply go to soplan.com and you will land on this platform right here. Plan is a planning and scheduling software with its own built-in calendar. With Plan, you can simply go ahead and start your own free trial, scheduling appointments without having to communicate back and forth. With Plan, you can simply go ahead and schedule your meeting in a minute. You simply get your own calendar. You can share your availability. You create events and schedule appointments with your Plan. So it's also a scheduling platform that allows you to schedule your appointment. So you can simply go ahead and create your account on Plan, access your calendar that has all of the right features for you to schedule your meetings, communicate, and get more productive. The next on the list is going to be Calendars 5 by Riddle. So this is one of the very famous calendars out there. Calendars 5. This is by Riddle.com. What happens on Calendars 5 is that it's best for iPhone and iPad. You can simply manage and schedule your meetings. You can simply color code your events for faster navigation. There's a simple drag and drop available too. You can connect your calendar to your social media as well, to your Facebook. Then you can create event and task in minutes. You can simply go ahead and add a date, and then you can also add a location. That's completely free. When we talk about the features, you will be able to invite different people and share your calendar with them. Then you can add video call integrations. There is Apple Map or Google Maps available. Then there is a hide option, color code event and calendar, and share calendar option too. So it's a very powerful tool which is very easy to use, and it's available on Apple. And you can simply go ahead and download your Calendars 5 right now to access all of the amazing features, and it will help you get more punctual and get more productive, organized. Last but not the least, we have BusyCal. So BusyCal is also a powerful tool that is available for Mac right now, and it is going to be just $49, and you can also get your own free trial. With your BusyCal, you can simply go ahead and of course create events, add reminders, create your own task, and color code them, add images and icons too. So it really helps you to keep track of what you're doing. You can simply add different, tasks every day. You can create your own to-do list. You have your own integrated task lists. You can also, add time. You can add travel time. That's actually a unique feature that we get on BusyCal, that you can add your time, a travel time of your event, like you have to go somewhere, and you can add the time that it will take. Then we get our own menu bar. We have our quick entry option, calendar list, and stats where you get on home, work, meetings, tasks, birthdays, holidays. Then we have smart filters that allow you to filter your search, and alarm option, of course, where you can set an alarm. Then there are tags to help you customize your different tasks, and that allows you to tag events for tracking and filtering. You can also check the weather forecast, and then there are graphics, dark mode is available, integrations, and then there is one click conference calls. So it's like a lot of features are available on BusyCal, all in one very good modern and updated version of calendars. And it's the future. You can simply go ahead and sign up for BusyCal. It has all the right features for you that you're looking for in a calendar to get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the best 9 calendars to look for when it comes to being productive. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.